Hello trading nerds. Today I traded Pltr and Sofi. So this was my morning list, and let's see, Pltr watching near 23, 23.10, and Sofi, I think Morgan Stanley overweight rate. So on daily chart, Sofi was holding this level after filling this gap, holding 23.11, 23 this level. And this is the pre-market 30 minutes chart. As you can see, after the contract with Navy was in Army, it popped after the market closed, and it gave it all back the next day, and it's still holding this level. So I was long biased. I was gonna watch if it's gonna break 23.11. I was even I was gonna give it about 10 cents to 23, or even just piercing 23 and bouncing up. That was my play this morning. So it's Monday, a little rusty. So at the open, I had the right idea after the 1 minute strong candle, 1 minute candle. I went long twice and stopped out twice. Get a little nervous about the pullbacks, but I shouldn't have. It barely touched the VWAP. But you know, the opening price movement is unpredictable. So I guess I just had to do my best. So stopped out twice after seeing VWAP holding, went long, and took a partial at the level I marked pre-market. And then it was R3. It was struggling at the R3, so I was thinking if it breaks up, it's gonna go for R4. If it fails, it's gonna be R3 to S3, what do you call it, traverse? And it ended up going to R4. Today's Pltr, today's all vol was only 40%. So I guess it wasn't ideal stock to play, but I had a plan, and it traded 23 million shares today, so I think it was good enough for me to trade. So all four, so took partial around this area, and I added it because today was trend day, so I was hoping it would, shouldn't say hoping, I was pretty sure it will want to touch the previous day's levels up here. There was a good size L2s. Added small. I think my stop was from here to, I think, around VWAP, like little less. Like, I think it was around this area. Yeah, added small. And then after this, I added pretty heavy right below the VWAP. I don't do right below, I kind of do like here, just give it more room to add more. And there I added right at the VWAP, and then I got stopped out. So I gave a good, I think like 0.5 R back on this trade. Still struggling with door style. Just take profits as you go after like 2R, or the Amen style, just hold it up to like 4R and just, you know, I'm still not sure about at my stage. I don't know which one is better. Still trying to figure this out. And then I shouldn't say played, traded Sofi. So, Sofi is, in a way, I shouldn't say meme stock, but it is a stock that gets lots of attention from many people, because of the really great management. All the CEO, CFO, they all have their reputations. So people's just waiting to buy this stock. So today I think it was a Morgan Stanley give them a highlight this morning, and also it was a CNBC. So yeah, I didn't play the long. I was waiting for the reversal. So 18 was the previous high, not previous, like long time ago, but there was an 18 here. But yeah, I could have shorted and got a little bit, maybe 1R. But I don't like to. So I got stopped out so many times in this strong stock shorting. So something like this, really nice and steady, going along. I think this is 9 moving average, and it will test it again, and it will look like it's gonna fail, and it comes back strong. And this was, I think, CNBC mentioning Morgan Stanley, and then I'll go and retail traders push it up. So the price action was getting farther to the 9 moving average. This is when you look for the reversal, mountain pass, whatever it is. And always wait for the second. Always wait for the second test. It's hard to do. When you see this, you feel like you're missing it. But I learned my lesson. Always wait for the second pass. And here it was a little bit late to the game, but I thought it was good enough, and took it nice short down to, I think this was my stop, so probably 3R partial. And usually the 50 is a 60, doesn't matter. This moving average is a good 1 minute resistance for the mountain pass. So when it goes under the 60, it's a good sign for me, at least from my experience. So I took another partial half. So this was 1/3 up, this was half up, and I was being a little greedy, yeah. I should have gone out all here, but I was hoping maybe back to VWAP or even this area. It is a VWAP, and then it went back up and stopped me out right here. And so if this happens, always look at the 5 minute. It's gonna be a 5 minute double top, right? So, but here I will start folding towel and miss this move, and I was like, it's a bummer. So yeah, I had a good day. 2 half-hour losses in the morning, and good multiple 4 or 5 hours. I think Pltr was about 2 hours, and this one was about 4 hours. So it's a good morning, good Monday. So thank you guys.